Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another weekly tip video. This week I'm going to take a look at using fonts on the Mac. Well, not so much using them, more how to install and maintain them. macOS Mojave comes with a great selection of system fonts which are accessible to all of your applications on the Mac. Just for illustration, just to demonstrate some of the wide variety of fonts that are available as standard on the Mac, if I go across to Pages, say, and with some text selected, if I go to the Format panel and click on the drop-down list for fonts, you'll see there's a whole host of different types of fonts available to you to style your text on the Mac. But if I just come out of here, let's pop this down out of the way. The application that is built into macOS to manage your fonts is an application called FontBook. Now, I already have FontBook running minimized in the background, so let me just bring it to the foreground. And this is the FontBook application. A standard application, 3-column view in this sidebar. Well, we'll cover the sidebar in a second. These are all the different font groups that are installed on my Mac. And over here we have a viewer, so I can see Arial regular. This is what it looks like. Arial black looks like that. If I go to something a bit more complex, let's have a look at, say, Helvetica. And then open up Helvetica. I've got Helvetica Light, regular, light oblique, etc. You can access 3 different views of your fonts and an information view as well. And these are controlled by the buttons across the top. So this is the sample view. There is also a repertoire view, so you can see all the different characters within that particular font. There is also a custom view, which gives you sort of like a paragraph of lorem ipsum to see what it looks like if you were to use the font in a paragraph of text. The information view is over here. Or you can use Command, so Command 1 for sample, Command 2 for repertoire, Command 3 for custom, and Command I for information. But let's go back using Command 1 to the sample view. So across on the sidebar, you have various collections. So firstly, Smart Collections. So this is a collection of all the fonts that are in the English language. I also have a Smart Collection of fixed width fonts as well. You can actually edit your Smart Collection by going to File and Edit. So in this particular instance, I can see the design style is monospaced, and that gives me this Smart Collection here. You can cancel to that. There are also some static collections as well. So Fun, Modern, PDF, Traditional, and Web. And you can just drag out any fonts into any of these collections or create a new collection down here at the bottom. So to rename our collection, just select it. And to add fonts, I would just drag a font group into it. There we go, into Custom. There's my American Typewriter group. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from ScreenCastsOnline. ScreenCastsOnline is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCastsOnline member.